Hi guys, James from MeasureSquare here. Welcome to part 6 of our multifamily series with MeasureSquare 8. In this video, we will cover report printing for a multifamily project. To begin, we will go to the File button in the top left and select the Print button. In the Printers and Options pop-up, we can select our paper size, whether we want to print to PDF or to a network printer. The unit drawings we want to display, our proposal or worksheets we want to print. In the Options section, we will select our Summary Cut Sheet View, Diagram 3D View, and our Forms. We can use the Form tab to set up our preferred settings for the proposal form to be displayed. Click OK. We can see our print preview of our packet, and if we are happy with the results, we can print to a PDF or hard copy in the top left. Thank you for watching the Multifamily Project series for MeasureSquare 8. Please check out our other videos for more helpful content on getting squared away with MeasureSquare 8.